Welcome back, students, to another episode of our study guide. We're looking at this problem that says a store sells $3 burgers minus a $7 discount as part of its grand opening as long as you buy three or more burgers, right? So it wouldn't make sense if they discount $7 just from one burger, right? Because then they would be paying you back, right? So that wouldn't make sense. So the catch is that they'll discount $7 just as long as you buy three burgers or more. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. It says function f is defined by the equation f of x is equal to 3x minus 7. Find the value of c so that f of c is equal to 20. So this problem was a bit confusing for some of you. So remember, when I'm being told f of c is equal to 20. So when we're told f of c is equal, so that means that we're going to go ahead and take this f of c and we're going to replace it with a 20. So I see a f of x right here. Ooh, I just noticed that. That's a typo. Somebody messed up. Whoops. So let's just make this one an x as well. Let's just make that an x. Sorry about that. So wherever I see a f of x is equal to 20, an f of x is going to get replaced with this 20. So I'm going to go ahead and write this down as 20 is equal to 3x minus 7. Now I can just solve for this algebraically and figure out my x value. So I'm going to go ahead. What is the opposite of minus 7? The opposite of minus 7 is plus 7, right? Am I going to do it to one side of my equation or to both sides? Let me hear it. One side? Both sides? Huh? What? Oh, one side. Nope, wrong. To both sides, all right? Both sides. There you go. I see a few of you laughing there. Okay, so the 7s get canceled out. And then 20 plus 7, that gives me 27 is equal to 3x. So this 3x in reality is telling me 3 times x, right? So if I have 3 times x, I got to do the opposite of that multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplication? Subtraction. Nope. Division. There we go. Thank you for letting me know that it's division. So I got to go ahead and divide by 3 on both sides. Once again, the 3's get canceled out. And I end up with x is equal to, what is 27 divided by 3, class? If you don't know, go ahead, type it into your calculator. Hint, hint, squint, squint, wink, wink. 27 divided by 3 is x is equal to 9. So we found what our x value is. Oh, you probably heard my princess in the background. She's complaining. I'll be there in a bit. Okay. Explain what the solution means in terms of the problem. So what is our x telling us in terms of the problem? Well, our x represents the number of burgers we bought, right? So x is equal to 9 means that 9 burgers. What about 9 burgers? What do we know about 9 burgers? We know that 9 burgers, how much did they cost? Well, we know that they cost $20. So that x is equal to 9 means that 9 burgers cost $20. Oh my goodness, does that sound like a deal to me? Hopefully, you didn't get your mouth watery like I did just thinking about getting a nice bacon cheeseburger with some jalapenos. No, that doesn't sound so good. Well, it does to me. All right, let's move on to the next one. Last problem. It says, find the value of f of 12. So f of 12. Ooh, so check this out. So when the number is on the inside, of our parentheses, we're going to go ahead and take our formula. So our original formula is f of x is equal to 3x minus 7, right? When we see a number inside those parentheses, guess what? That replaces all our x values. So we're going to end up having f of 12 is equal to 3 times 12 minus 7. So now we just solve for this. I'm going to go ahead and bring this up here. So I have f of 12 is equal to, class, what is 3 times 12? 3 times 12 is 36 minus 7. F of 12 is equal to 36 minus 7. What is 36 minus 7? Go ahead, use my fingers. 36, 35, 34, 32, 33, 31, 30, 29. So f of 12 is equal to 29. Perfect. Here we go. So what does f of 12 is equal to 29 mean? This is just a bonus. You don't have to say this, or you don't have to copy this down. But f of 12 is equal to 29. What that means is that the cost of 12 burgers is $29. That sounds like a steal to me. I think we should go find this restaurant, okay? We are done with this problem. I would like for you to try out the next one, and good luck on your makeup midterms that are coming up in the next couple of days. Good luck.